Notre-Dame Cathedral isn't just a historic building, it's a masterpiece of architecture, art, and faith with a legacy that spans centuries. Curious to learn more about this global icon? Stick around, because here are 5 fascinating facts about Notre-Dame Cathedral that will amaze you. Fact 1. Built over nearly 2 centuries, did you know it took almost 200 years to complete this architectural wonder? Construction began back in 1163 and wasn't finished until 1345. Think about the generations of craftsmen who worked together to create the intricate details that make Notre Dame what it is today. Fact 2. The famous bells have names. Notre Dame's bells aren't just giant chimes, they have personalities, too. The largest bell, Emmanuel, weighs an incredible 13 tons and has been ringing since the 17th century. Each bell is unique, adding its own note to the cathedral's iconic melodies. Fact 3. Priceless relics. Inside Notre Dame lies a collection of revered Christian relics, including what is believed to be the crown of thorns worn by Jesus. These treasures make Notre Dame one of the most spiritually significant sites in the world. Fact 4. Saved by Victor Hugo's novel. During the 19th century, the cathedral had fallen into disrepair. That changed after Victor Hugo released his famous novel, The Hunchback of Notre Dame, which drew attention to its crumbling state. The overwhelming public response inspired a massive restoration effort, saving the cathedral from ruin. Fact 5. Rising from the ashes. One of Notre Dame's most dramatic moments came in 2019, when a devastating fire destroyed its iconic spire and parts of its roof. But this symbol of resilience is being rebuilt, with plans to reopen by 2024, ensuring its glory shines for future generations. Notre Dame Cathedral stands as a symbol of history, art, and resilience. If you loved learning these incredible facts, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell to discover more about the wonders of our world. Thanks for watching.